Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to reset your color settings on your monitor back to default. So if you're having an issues with your color display or not working properly or HDR problems, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open, and dito sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung system, and then dito lang sa left side panel, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display. So click mo lang yan, and dito sa display, and then scroll down, and then under dito sa related settings, kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced display. So i-click mo lang yan, and then dito sa advanced display, so under dito sa display informations, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapter properties. So click mo lang yan, itong kanyang graphics properties. So dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung color management. So click mo lang yan, and then dito sa color management, makikita mo ito mga kaibigan. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong color management na box. So click mo lang yan, pop up itong color management. So dito lang sa taas, i-select mo lang dito yung advanced, and dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung change system default. So click mo lang yan, and dito sa kanyang system defaults, and then dito lang ulit sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung advanced, and dito sa advanced ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung use Windows display calibrations. Okay, so i-click mo lang yung box na yan, and then that's it. So close lang natin yan. So close, and then click mo lang dito yung OK, and then close natin tong settings, at dito lang si start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to reset color settings in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.